Last minute gap prep, gat next week. You already know what's going on, man. We got the E36 out here, man. We up at Solo Motorsports, man. Man, the car is looking beautiful. Can't complain, can't complain. Today, man, we're gonna go ahead and swap out this fuel filter. It's leaking on this side, it's cracked. But what I wanna show you guys, man, as y'all could see, we in business, gang. Got the Sparko bucket in. Sheesh. Sheesh. What y'all think, man? It's super comfortable. It's not too sporty. It's like the lower line of their sport seats, the racing seats. I think the Sprint is a pretty good seat just for like a starter bucket seat. You know, you daily the car, you drive the car often, just regular street driving, not racing or drifting. You just want a nice little bucket. I think this one is a good go-to for that, and it feels great. Installing it wasn't too bad. I didn't film installing it because I did it in my living room at my apartment, and I had to do a bunch of trial and error stuff with it, fitting it and everything like that. But we got it installed, gang, and it feels amazing, man. It's so sick. I feel like it just turned the car up like a whole nother notch. Like just adding this bucket in just makes it so sick. I mean, one of my dreams, man, growing up, man, as a young kid, man, I always wanted a car with a Sparko bucket in it, or any type of bucket seat, but Sparko has always been the one I wanted, just from the Fast and Furious days. I mean, this shit is sick though, bro. Driving around in buckets, it makes you feel like you're driving in a fucking race car, you know what I mean? And this is like my little go-kart. I love this car. This is the fuel filter for the E36, 328i, I think for the M32, I'm not sure, but the fuel filter is over here underneath the car, underneath the driver's seat. And since the car is so low, the cover, there's like a little piece of sheet metal that they had covering it. I guess that was the OEM piece. That piece got like destroyed. That mangling of that piece ended up damaging the fuel filter that's on the car. Now cracking it up, bending it up. I'm pretty sure it's leaking. You can see like a fume of gas pouring out of it. Obviously that's fuel and it's leaking out, so that's no good. And you smell gasoline when the car is running, so that's no good. So today we're gonna swap that, do some last minute prep, check our oil levels, check our coolant levels, tighten up all our bolts, make sure the car is good to go on a little 2-hour road trip, and then we'll be good to go for GAT. Back with the E, man. A day away from GAT, bro. I'm getting content today. Today I had to run a couple errands, and I've been doing a whole lot of GAT prep with the E, man. I'm working on the E. I had to put bolts in the coilovers. I was missing bolts in the coilovers. I had to remount my muffler because the exhaust hanger broke off. Obviously I had to fix the fuel filter. That's what I was doing the other week when I was getting footage, and then the camera decided to just say bye-bye. The new setup in the V. I mean, how fucking sick is this? I mean, this thing is so sick, man. We're about to be in Gatlinburg tomorrow with this thing, cruising through the mountains. The car is running perfectly. I've been driving it around this whole week, almost daying it, just to make sure that, okay, so this loud ass truck wants to come out. But anyways, I've been like practically dailying it this week just to make sure it's ready for GAT and make sure no extra problems are popping up. And I mean, ended up having an extra problem pop up as I was driving. Ended up realizing I was low on coolant, had to up that, you know, that would have been bad to peep. Had to retorque all my bolts, stuff like that. It's just all the little things that you got to make sure you check on these cars if you're gonna take it on a trip, if you're taking it to a drift event, after a drift event, regardless, anything like that. And I'm planning to try to slide this thing in Gatlinburg a couple of times. I just want to make sure the car is in good shape, and the car is in good shape. It's actually dirty right now. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the wheels are very dirty, so I'm about to clean our wheels because they're very dirty. Man, that's a 640. Sheesh. Boom, there you have it, man. The E36 is clean and ready to go, man. We got our wheels nice and plowed in and cleaned out. I mean, they look sick right now. Sheesh. We finna hit the roads and head back to the crib, man. Car's ready for GAT, bro. It's ready. Everything's dialed in, everything's set, everything's good with it, and we're ready to go. Let's fucking get it, gang. Get that nice smooth startup now with that exhaust. now. That's kind of crazy. I'm getting better at manual driving, I'm telling y'all. Oh, I did it. Woo! The car is GAT ready. We will be in GAT very shortly. In less than 24 hours, we will be cruising this thing through the mountains. It's gonna be a movie. If you're gonna be in GAT, man, comment on this video, man. Let me know, man. We can link up, man. We outside. Let's get it. Try heel toe downshift. Oh, I did it. See, bro, I'm getting right, bro. I'm learning how to heel toe and shit. I've been practicing. I'm telling y'all, I've been practicing. Next week in GAT, man, it's gonna be a movie, man. Hella slam cars, hella E36s, E46s, everything you can imagine, man. So just catch us out there, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next banger, man. It's gonna be in GAT, man. We heading out tomorrow. Let's get it.